Hey guys, it's Chris from Steeda, and we really just wanted to share something with you all. It's been a tough 18 months for everybody, not only as a consumer, but also as a company, and we really value our team here. With that said, we're doing everything we can to get parts out to you as soon as possible, whether it be back order issues or supply chain issues or raw material issues. We're doing everything we can to get the parts out to you, the consumer, but that doesn't come without a cost, and our employees have been working really hard, and we value our team right here at Steeda. So with that said, we actually went and did an employee appreciation event, and it turned out awesome. We offered lunch to everybody, and we got myself, Jamie, and Scott out in our cars to do some joy rides. So without further ado, let's dive in and show you how it went. It goes without saying that our team is chock full of enthusiasts. We eat, sleep, and breathe Mustangs and Fords, and this is how we love to kick back and enjoy a good Friday afternoon. So go ahead and comment below. Let us know what you like to do in your spare time with your Mustang, like burnouts and donuts and fun things like that. And hit that like, subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you get a notification on your phone next time a Steeda video drops. And don't forget the most important thing, I need some help with this one. Team Steeda?
Speed matters!